Hello everyone and welcome to a quick update of your Wednesday night's weather conditions. And from our satellite loop, we see that tropical air continues to move down from further northwards, bringing lots of cloud into the central parts of the country. And this has also allowed for a few thunder showers to develop this afternoon over the mountainous areas of the Western and Eastern Cape. It's remained very cloudy throughout the day over the central plateau of the country, with showers and a few thunder showers which continue to develop in the area, including around parts of Gauteng. For tonight, the far eastern parts of the country will remain mainly cloudy. We're not expecting too much rain for that area, but from our synoptic analysis, we can see where the precipitation will be continuing for tonight. Good falls of rain are still possible for many parts of the Free State as well as the Northern Cape. An onshore flow will develop along the south coast, bringing in some cloud. We could also have some overnight rain in the Overberg area. That will continue into the early hours of Thursday, while thunderstorms will continue as well into the central parts of South Africa, including the Free State, the Northwest and in Gauteng, while further westwards there'll be a very high probability for rainfall over parts of Namibia and the far western parts of the Northern Cape, including around Springbok. Could see some very good falls of rain taking place in that area on Thursday. For tonight, a broad area for isolated showers and thunder showers extending from parts of Limpopo all the way down into the interior of the Western Cape, while scattered showers will still be possible for Upington, into the Northern Free State as well as over parts of Gauteng, including Johannesburg. And speaking of Johannesburg, here's your commuter weather forecast for the late afternoon and early evening. Mainly cloudy with scattered storms. This could result in wet roadways. Temperatures will be in the lower 20s. It will be milder later on. Taking a look at Cape Town, on the other hand, dry overnight with a minimum temperature of 20 degrees. Those southerly to southeasterly winds will be picking up. And tomorrow will be another hot day for the mother city. Partly cloudy conditions, and we're not expecting any rainfall. Minimum temperatures over the rest of South Africa, and those will be high over the western parts, 23 degrees for Upington. Similar temperatures over eastern KwaZulu-Natal, while it will be a cool night over the eastern high ground of the country, including parts of the Free State and in particular on the Mpumalanga Highveld. Tomorrow afternoon, we can expect temperatures to rise into the upper 20s for much of the country, but low 30s are in the forecast for KwaZulu-Natal, the Eastern Cape interior, as well as much of the Western Cape. Let's move ahead now to Friday, and we are expecting the wet weather to continue for the central parts. Dry on the other hand for Durban and Richards Bay with lots of sunshine. And by Saturday, very wet weather will spread into the interior of the Eastern and Western Cape, and thunder showers could even reach both George and Port Elizabeth.